Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that aims to simplify your cooking and elevate your everyday meals. We're talking about the Our Place Dream Cooker, a 6-quart multi-cooker and pressure cooker that promises a lot. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The core appeal of the Dream Cooker lies in its versatility. It's marketed as a 4-in-1 device, handling pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing or searing, and keeping your food warm. This means it's designed to be the workhorse for everything from quick weeknight dinners and family feasts to batch cooking for the week ahead. The idea is to consolidate multiple appliances into one stylish unit, saving you counter space and simplifying the cooking process. One of the standout features here is the streamlined touchscreen control panel. Unlike many multi-cookers that are laden with confusing presets, the Dream Cooker opts for a more tailored approach. It uses time, temperature, and mode selections, allowing for fully customizable cooking experiences. This is a big win for anyone who has been intimidated by endless buttons and modes on other appliances. It suggests a focus on intuitive operation, where you're in control without feeling overwhelmed. Safety is always a paramount concern, especially with pressure cooking. The Dream Cooker addresses this with its auto steam release function, which is a hands-free operation, and 9 built-in safety features. This combination is designed to provide confidence for both novice pressure cooker users and seasoned pros. The auto steam release, in particular, is a convenient feature that removes the guesswork and potential hazards of manual venting. The inner pod is another area where Our Place has clearly put thought into the design. It's a ceramic non-stick pot, free from PFAS. This is important for health-conscious consumers and also translates directly to better cooking and easier cleanup. Food release should be effortless, making everything from sticky rice to rich braises a more pleasant experience. And as we all know, easier cleanup means more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Aesthetically, the Dream Cooker is designed to be a countertop showpiece. It boasts a sleek exterior, stay-cool surfaces, and a compact footprint. This isn't an appliance you'll want to shove back into a cabinet after every use. It's built to live on your counter, looking good while it performs its duties. This is a significant consideration for many home cooks who value both functionality and the visual appeal of their kitchen. With a 6-quart capacity, the inner pod is generously sized. This means it can easily handle stews, grains, and portions for a family. It offers the convenience of a slow cooker setup in a single appliance, which is excellent for those who enjoy slow-cooked meals but don't want the bulk of a separate slow cooker. Now, let's talk about the pros. The design is undeniably elegant, and the intuitive touchscreen controls are a major plus. The auto steam release feature enhances safety and convenience. The non-stick ceramic pot is also a strong selling point for ease of use and cleanup. And the 6-quart capacity is suitable for most families. However, there are always areas where a product could improve. While the 4-in-1 functionality is great, the specific performance in each mode, particularly pressure cooking speed and slow cook effectiveness compared to dedicated appliances, would be worth noting for those with very specific needs. The price point for such an appliance is also a factor for many consumers, and whether the premium design and features justify the cost will be a personal decision. In conclusion, the Our Place Dream Cooker appears to be a thoughtfully designed multi-cooker that prioritizes ease of use, safety, and aesthetics. It aims to simplify your cooking routine with its intuitive controls and versatile functions, all while looking great on your countertop. If you're looking for a stylish and functional addition to your kitchen that can handle a wide range of meals with minimal fuss, the Dream Cooker is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.